Release 1.12 introduces a new governance capability called column bulk operations. Organizations generate data in many ways, from APIs to databases such as MySQL, Postgres, Oracle, and others, eventually landing in an S3 data warehouse and then being presented in your data dashboards. Even search indexes are included in this ecosystem, and OpenMetadata brings all of this metadata under one roof. Now that you have all this metadata, how do you identify the commonly used columns across those disparate systems? And how do you maintain the documentation, the governance classifications, the glossary terms across these identical column names in different structures? That's exactly what column bulk operations is going to help you with. It identifies all of your unique columns. For example, in this instance, we have 1,770 totally unique columns, but they appear almost 500,000 times across your data infrastructure. Now, instead of going to each asset and trying to update these one at a time, you can go to column bulk operations, update these columns, and have it reach all of these different assets in one go. It also offers lineage level propagation, where the lineage level propagation appears as the column changes shape and form over the lineage. This gives you a bird's eye view of all your columns. You can filter by name, for example, search for customer or search for address. You can see columns marked inconsistent, meaning some columns have descriptions and others don't. We can select these and click Edit and give them a meaningful name and description. We can choose this to be PII sensitive, add address as a tag, assign it a glossary term of customer, and then I can update all of these assets in one go. As you can see, it applies the same definition, name, descriptions, and glossary terms across all instances. This gives you everything to understand your data consistently, no matter what it's called, no matter where it exists. As long as it has the same name, you can manage that in one go. Now, there are several other utilities built on top of this. The first, how do you find columns that are missing data? You can see all of these columns have no metadata at all. From here, we can set various filters, so let's choose incomplete. This shows us what columns are actually incomplete. For example, you may have 4 columns, but they don't have consistent metadata. Some have descriptions, some have tags, some have classifications. Now let's try filtering for inconsistent data. Thankfully, we didn't find any inconsistent columns. Inconsistent means there is data on some columns that doesn't match. For example, you might call this user address in one place and customer address in another. Inconsistent means the descriptions don't match, the tags don't match, or the classifications don't match. You have various different filters to look at the domain level data. Maybe you only want to look at specific services like Snowflake or BigQuery. If you have a specific scope that you want to focus on, you can filter on that as well. This gives you amazing new capabilities to manage your metadata at a higher level. Come try it for yourself.